Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my house. It feels so weird to say a house tour. Like I can't even. Alhamdulillah, Muhammad and I are so blessed. As most of you guys know, since we got married, we lived in an apartment for nearly 4 years. So purchasing a home, a house, is a pretty big deal for us, and we're so excited to be sharing this journey with you guys. So for today's video, you guys will see literally our house emptied. I wanted you guys to get an idea of how the house looks prior to moving in, the furniture that we have, and starting decorating the house. I'm not sure if you guys know, but Muhammad and I were lucky enough to build this house and customize it to our liking. So I'll be showing you guys the things that we upgraded in the house and also our future plans for specific rooms in this house. So let's get started. Follow me. So when you walk into the house and make a right, you will see 2 rooms and a bathroom right over here. Okay. So let's go into the first room.
Show us. Okay.
We're thinking of making this room a guest room and maybe the other one a prayer room.
Okay.
Yeah, I love prayer rooms. I just think it's so like convenient to go into one part of the house and
serenity and just like chill,
like,
and
relax, you know, read Quran and just like pray.
It's a good idea. It brings blessings.
I love that. So I've always had that in like the back of my mind. Like when I move into a house, I really want to dedicate the room to just like prayer.
The no shoes room.
The no shoes room, yeah. So here is the closet for this room. This is a pretty like decent big size closet. I wanted to give props to Muhammad because we upgraded to 8-foot tall doors. Look, let me close this.
So you're 5'2".
No, I'm 5'4".
Oh, my bad, 5'4".
Give me my 2 inches.
Okay, and then all the way on top?
What, regular size doors are what?
6'8".
6'8"?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 8 foot. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so as you can see, it's really tall. And in the beginning, I was like, oh, Muhammad, are we really going to like, because the upgrade was a lot of money.
Yeah,
and
get closer to you.
In the beginning, I was just like, are you sure about that? It's a lot of money just for 8-foot tall doors. Like you've been walking through the regular size, standard size doors and you've been fine. But he's like, Omaya, I'm huge and I need bigger doors. Like
I just wanted taller doors to look up at.
I just thought it wasn't a big deal.
Yeah.
But since he asked for that, and I'm like, yeah, I mean, it's pretty fair. I'm putting my input in the house and he should have his input as well.
Yeah.
So after we upgraded to these tall doors, I kid you not, like every single family member that I've brought to the house and even friends, the first thing they comment on is the doors, like how tall they are. So I'm glad we went with that because I feel like now the house has like a unique touch. You don't really see that.
I'll give you a visual.
Oh, okay, let's get a visual.
Look, so I'll do it with the door right here, right? So look.
Okay.
So the doors are usually 6'8".
Yes.
So I'm 6'6", right? So I'm running at 6'6". The doors are typically like right here. A
little bit taller than you.
It's 2 inches.
Yeah.
So it's right here. So when I
standard doors.
Yeah, when I seen the option for having an 8-foot.
Yeah, you're like, heck yeah.
Look, you know what I'm saying? I gotta like jump and shit. Like, I don't have to do anything, so it worked out perfectly. Alhamdulillah. You want me to take the camera back?
No, you can show the rest.
So let's go.
Yes, Mo, come on. Show us.
So inshallah, 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 if we get blessed with children. This is room 1.
And that's room 2. Room 2 looks just like room 1.
Quickly, but it's the same exact thing.
Yeah.
Pretty much this is room number 2.
Yep.
Just like the other one, but flipped.
Yeah.
So closet on this side.
Yeah. And I think this closet is a tiny bit smaller than the other one, but it's still good.
Yeah. But it's nice, cozy.
This could be the prayer room for now.
Yeah. Okay. So Omaya showed you 1 and 2.
Yep.
Now this is our bathroom.
Yes.
So bathroom 1.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go see the rest of the house.
Alrighty.
So this is a walkway that I could just run
I love the foyer.
Omaya likes this area because it's
so open. I love this place.
And that's kind of what we got sold on. We're like, man.
Actually, that's what made us buy this house.
Because that's the biggest difference between this and 2 other homes, which is the entrance. Room sizes is the same. Yeah. It's just the layout. So
yeah, I love this layout.
So let's go. We're taking in groceries though.
Oh yeah, it does actually.
Okay, so let's walk. And left.
The left.
We have here. Oh, I think this is cool.
Okay.
So let me turn the light. Oh, never mind. Okay, so here we got like the AC. You know, it's controlled. You want to make it cooler. Has Wi-Fi.
Make it cooler. It's a bit hot in here.
I made it at 70.
70. No, it's 72.
It's 72 now, but I just dropped it at 70.
Oh, okay, okay.
So it has Wi-Fi, so it can tell you like the weather outside, the weather inside.
And another really cool thing about this is that if you're in your room and you're feeling hella lazy to get up and change the AC, you could do it from your phone.
Yeah, it's connected to through Wi-Fi, so you can just go on here and lower it, higher it.
Yeah. Okay, Mo, let's see the rest of the room.
Okay. So
Mo's man cave. Okay.
So follow me. So similar to the other 2 rooms.
Yeah.
You know, you just walk in. The closet here. So Omaya mentioned something about planning for the room. So
okay. Tell us your vision, Mo.
So my vision for this room is I want to mount the TV we have here. Mm-hmm. And then have a table in the middle.
Okay.
And then
somewhere here.
And then a couch right there.
Uh-huh.
And then probably either another couch right here or one of those like lazy big balls where like
the bean bag,
sofa ball or whatever that you can just jump on. And that's kind of the spot here. And then now I'm definitely going to try to do something with the walls.
Yeah. We're definitely going to paint this room.
What do I want to do with the walls? I don't know yet, but we're going to make it.
Oh, please. You already told me you wanted to put Muhammad Salah's poster like all over this room.
Some Egypt,
and Ronaldo.
So I pretty much want whoever to come in this room to be like, yo, this is Mo. Like, you know what I'm saying? So whatever is motivational to me in general, I want this room to be like
a vibe.
Me, you know what I'm saying? So, and then my closet space. Open.
Okay.
So, space.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I like it.
I love it.
That's it.
All right. Let's keep going.
Okay. Come on, you're liking this. You're making me. All right, and then this right here is going to be the washer and dryer area.
Uh-huh.
As you can tell, we still don't have a washer and dryer, but we did order them.
Yeah, we ordered them, and they should be on their way.
So 1, 2, and then the sink.
We're going to put a sink here,
over here, so this is going to be the room where...
It smells so good in here.
It does, you know, cleaning, washing,
yeah,
drying.
Yeah. All right. So here, grab the camera so I can show my favorite room of the house. All right, guys, so now it's my turn to show you my favorite part of the house.
Okay.
Come on over here.
Oh, following. Uh-oh, where'd you go?
It's this room right here.
Uh-oh.
So, fun fact about this room in the house, it actually comes without any doors. So because I knew I wanted to make this specific room, my YouTube room, I told them to add doors, and in that, put in French doors just because I feel like it looks so much nicer.
I'm going up with it. Yeah. Oh, you opened it.
So welcome to my empty YouTube room.
Okay.
We also upgraded to having 5 LED lights because I usually film at night.
Yep.
So the more lights, the better for me.
Yeah.
So now let's go to the living room and kitchen. And
I'm getting a lot of brightness from the sun outside.
Yep.
So pretty much, inshallah, this is going to be our living room area. Our couches right here.
Yep.
Coffee table. And then Omaya has some fun ideas for this wall that we're still trying to figure out. And inshallah, mounting the TV here. So
yep.
This is going to be the chill living room area. Now.
But we definitely have to decorate that wall to make it stand out. Yeah.
This is your wall.
Okay. Okay. My project.
Yeah. Here is going to be where we have our dining table.
Yeah.
And we don't have to buy one. Alhamdulillah, because we got one.
Yeah, we just got one.
Yeah, so we're going to put it right here.
So the only part of the house that I wasn't so happy about was this dining area because it's kind of small for my taste. Well, I'm so used to having a whole room dedicated to the
And that's what I said in the beginning of the video. It's all about layouts, right?
Yeah.
So the other houses that we've seen that didn't have the long walk-through area, it had more of a dining room.
Yeah.
We have this right here.
Uh-huh.
And we have
the waterfall.
Oh, the waterfall, right?
Yeah.
So Omaya actually wanted this, and it was like a last second thing. She was like,
yeah.
Like we're signing a paper, and then Omaya's like, you know what? I really want to get that waterfall. And it's different. And it's
So for those who don't know what a waterfall is, explain.
So pretty much, you know, you have your countertop here in the kitchen with the sink, and then it's literally.
But it extends all the way to
just like a
the ground.
Niagara waterfall right here, Niagara Falls. But so pretty simple. I like this as well because you know you can get stools here.
Yeah.
And you know you can sit there and eat, or you can just grab a stool and sit up here and eat. So it's so cool. And then inshallah,
we will get a fridge this Saturday.
It's gonna be here. Inshallah. We already bought the fridge.
Yes, so it's on its way.
On its way. We got here a microwave.
So fancy.
And
an oven.
That Omaya likes because it's a little bluish purplish inside.
It has blue inside. I love it.
I wish we had food so we could be like tapes on the food channel.
I know.
And then we have a pantry here.
Yeah. No, we got a couple stuff.
Oh, and Omaya bought the Ninja.
Oh guys, I'm so excited for my Ninja.
Yeah.
Like you guys have no idea. I've been wanting one of these forever.
Okay. Okay, Omaya.
Okay, I just want to show what's in the pantry. There isn't much.
I know, I'm just fine. Okay, and then here, cabinets, right?
Yep.
Cabinets here. And I also like the color that Omaya chose because she chose black.
Black, I love the contrast. Nice. Black and white. Ooh, so nice.
And then we got
this hood.
Hood with the glass.
Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna lie. Someone picked it up.
You picked it out.
It was
so pretty much, you see the kitchen, this is all Mo. Believe it or not, Muhammad has great taste when it comes to just like, I don't know about decorating, but just picking out.
I think it's just the look, like.
Yeah, the overall look.
That's why we're a good team, Muhammad, because like, you pick like the colors and the design, and I just have that look. And that's what I said here is.
Babe, you know what? We work great together.
Yeah, I bring some, you bring some.
Yeah.
But the best thing honestly here is that you not you, but the way it came was there was like two options, right?
Yeah, the microwave up there.
Option one was the microwave here.
Yeah.
And cabinets on top.
Yeah.
And here was two ovens.
Two ovens instead of one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I was looking at it, I was like, and it wasn't too much of a crazy difference, but I was like, why don't we just make this look
fancier? Yeah. So long story short, Muhammad hates when the microwave is up there. He hates it. That's like his pet peeve. He hated it in an apartment. He hated it in every house that he's seen. And he's like, inshallah, I just need to not have the microwave up there and instead have like this hood and then later on put backsplash. So when I tell you this kitchen is Mo, believe me, this is all Muhammad right here. He had a lot to say about the kitchen.
To our last room of the house.
Okay.
And this is our master bedroom. So
okay.
You walk in here and you make a right. Mm-hmm. And this is the master bedroom. Alhamdulillah, it's a good size. You know, we're actually working on buying that stuff so we can start putting it in here.
So we bought our bed, it's on its way, and we bought a few chandeliers, also on its way.
Yeah.
But then again, I'll show you guys in a vlog.
Yeah, so
okay.
This is the master bedroom.
Yes.
We'll figure out. Omaya is gonna do a good vlogging video to show you everything step by step. So
yes.
When we're moving, so relate to this video for the empty room, and then how it's gonna be full inshallah.
Yes. Let's go to our bathroom.
Yeah, this is
a toilet in its own little room. Okay.
That's that. People handling their business on their own.
Okay.
And then here, come on in. And I'm just gonna shut this door for a second.
Okay, so
you explain.
His and hers sink.
Yep.
Right there.
And I like, Omaya picked this color.
I picked the color.
I picked the whole bathroom, to be honest.
I picked the shape of this sink. I love squares, so we got 2 squares. And like I said again, we're changing this faucet for another one. Right here is a closet, a walk-in closet. You want to show them?
Yeah, this is my closet right
So we have 2 walk-in closets. It's pretty...
It's a good size. It's a good size closet. And
yeah.
Omaya's gonna put her decorating skills to these closets.
Okay, let's show the other closet. Oh, here we have our shower. Yeah. And this one I am going to ooh, have a lot of fun with. This is a pretty...
This is pretty much my closet, so we're
No, it's not your closet. This is my closet.
Okay, sure.
Here, get me. We're getting rid of all of these and pretty much utilize the entire wall.
Yeah.
We're going to add mirrors to the walls. And
some home network stuff we got.
I have visions for this closet.
That's good.
We'll make it work, make all my clothes, purses, shoes work and fit in here.
Okay. Put a bed in here.
Mohammed's kind enough to give me both closets.
Yeah. I'll take, you know what I'm doing just because I'm a good husband is I'm giving her both of these closets and I'm going to take the one in my room.
Yeah.
Which is good. And there's a spot here too.
Yeah, I mean, we have a lot of storage. A lot of, you know, hidden closets that Mo can use. But the walk-in ones he was kind enough to give to me.
Yes.
So, yeah. You guys, I can't wait to show you how this closet will turn out, inshallah.
Inshallah.
But this is it, guys. This is our master bedroom and
bathroom.
Bathroom.
Oh man, you look so bright. Okay, now you're good.
Here is another closet space. I mean, I don't. Like this bathroom is small, but they have a lot.
I mean, so look how big this space is. This space is pretty. It's pretty roomy.
In here, like,
yeah, it's pretty roomy.
You know, it's like pretty. Like
got your
socks.
socks.
Also get rid of this.
Yeah.
And you utilize this wall to create more space.
Look at you just utilizing.
I'm saying, like, we have a lot
alhamdulillah.
of space in this bathroom.
And this, honestly, the thing about this house is the layout. Like I said, some of the things are compromised space-wise, but they give you a lot of space to do some things. So we just gotta work on it, and it's a blessing that we got lucky and got the opportunity to have our own home. So
here, like I'm telling you, there's just so much.
Oh, I already hooked it up.
Yeah, I mean, I have a couple stuff.
Yeah, Colgate.
Yeah, a couple stuff.
Cool. All right, you gotta make.
So, come on over here. Alright guys, and that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting a lot more videos, inshallah. So see you next time.